ako bro urinde man ngo iki icyo kibazo ahubwo ninjye wagakwiye kukikubaza oya ko njye ni ubuzima bwanjye inshuti mama ishuri uri kopi yanjye man biratangaje pe kuko nanjye byose ndabyibuka mama akunda icyayi cyinshi sibyo cyane rwose so ufite igikomere gito ku ivi ry'ibumoso yego wamenye gute kuko iryo ni ivi ryanjye man come on none se ko twese turi umwe kuki turi babiri man ntabyo nzi bro ahubwo ujya kuzana agakawa hariya man
What's up ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how I create these clown effects. Guys, put your camera on the tripod just facing one frame, okay? There is no props moving, okay? Just put the camera in one frame, facing on one frame, and then you shoot one clown just speaking their dialogues, okay? And then the second clown, how I do the timing. So I shoot the second clone by understanding the first clone, okay? So you just put the one video on other device, maybe on your laptop or phone, and then you playing the second clone by understanding what the first clone was saying, okay? So that's how you can that timing of that clone making some conversation. And then I have already make those two videos, okay? So and then I'm going to show you how I clone this effect in Premiere Pro. So now let's jump on it. Let's see how it is. Alright, here we go, and here I have these clips, okay? So this clip, it was the first clone, okay? And this second one, it was the second clone. Guys, as you see here, you see the camera was on tripod, okay, was stable. When I exchange the clones, you see it is the clones and where he is sitting, okay? And other props was fixed, okay? So this is my first clone, okay? So this first clone was sitting on this side, and then you see guys, he's starting speaking. So those are the dialogue this first clone was saying. And then about the second clone, guys, remember this. So this second clone was sitting here waiting for the first dialogue the first clone was saying, and then he will reply it, okay? Then you understand this. And then now you understand the first dialogue of the first clone. So the first clone was saying, okay, and then directly this second clone was waiting for him to reply him, okay?
Oh yeah, ko njye ni ubuzima bwanjye inshuti mama ishuri uri kopi yanjye man.
Okay, now you understand. So I was using the laptop for playing dialogue of the first clone, and then this second clone was praying for the first clone, okay? So now the things I have to do, and I'm going to make like synchronize, okay? So here I have to understand this first clone, what he's saying, okay? Okay, let's stop it by here, okay? So and let me try to put like a mark, okay? So and then here, and I have to come on the second clone and understanding the same dialogue of the first clone, okay? So I think it is here. Understand it well, okay? Right here, okay? So and then I have to mark it right here, okay? And then I'm going to combine those two marks, okay? So in order to clone my subject well, okay? So right here now, and then after that, let me just delete and extend my clone as usual, something like that, okay? So now here I got the synchronization well of my clone, okay? So now here there is the first voice of this first clone.
Oh yeah.
And then this second clone is already pre for the first clone. So now the things I have to do, let me click on this top clip, okay, and go here on this effect control, and I'm going to mask. I'm going to use this free draw bezel here located on opacity, okay, and I have to click on this free draw bezel. So, and I'm going to mask, okay. So I have to select this clone because it is on the top it is on the top of other clip, okay. So let me find where I can make this clone, okay. So let me clone in this way, guys, in order to smooth my clip, okay. So I have to select this clone, where this clone it is, okay, the side where this clone it is, all right, okay. So and then now you see I have got already the second clone, okay. So when this first clone say,
oh yeah,
and then this clone already replace directly, okay guys. And then you have to know that, so come here for this mask path. So where this masking it is combined, you have to make sure in order to smooth it. For example, when I try to zoom like right here, guys, for example, you see here there is some lines, okay. So when I reduce this mask feather, guys, now you see this line, okay, this line it is visible, guys. So now the things you have to do, you have to mask, you have to feather it, okay, in order to smooth it, something like this. And then when you come back here for the feet, now you see the clone it is, now you see two clone it is in the one frame. So
konje ni ukuzima bwanjye inshuti mama ishuri uri kopi yanjye man.
Guys, the things which is very totally difficult here in this video, it is timing, guys, okay. So you remember for the first clone you have to speak, okay. For example, if you have the another person which is helping you, they can sit on the second, they can sit on the place of the second clone, and then when you say the words of the first clone, and then that person, they can help you to replay as the second clone. And then the things you have to do, you will move that person and then you replace for the second clone. So by making a good timing, okay. I think here my timing it is well as possible. This is so nice. And then guys, after making this masking clone, guys, the things you have to do, you can just add the color grading for your clips, okay. So because we have two clips, the things you have to do, you can just create an adjustment layer, and then this is where you can apply your color grading, your LUTs, your anything, okay. Because me, I didn't use any S-Log here, guys. I just used the flat image, okay. So you can just put it the color grading you want. So guys, I think these things is very understandable. And then you have to know that the other shots you have been so like close up, in order to get the film looks good, okay, in order to get more shots, okay. So but the target was this wide frame, so for those two clones. So for that close-up clone, for those close-up shots, there is no other problem, so you shoot it as normally. So yes, all right guys, so this is how I create this effect. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below and let me know what you think. And I know this video is very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, etc, etc, etc. And I will see you in next video. Peace.